I'm trying to get that bag. We had that range inside that range. A youngin' getting paper, I was walking through the rain. My youngin' got the stick, okay, it look like candy cane.
Let me show you something. I got a new crib. I haven't showed you nothing, but check this out. Got some snow outside. You know what that means? I'm gonna have to whip the RTs real quick. Yeah, I'm about to put the sides on. Oh shit. Alright, where the keys at? Alright. I call her chandelier. Trying to warm this joint up, but let me get my chassis down. I took eco off, but I'm not putting traction control off. I'm not putting it in sport, bro. There's no way. I'm literally only going around my neighborhood. You don't even know how scared I am to slide this bitch, bro. Oy. Woo! Alright, alright. Nah, I'm not gonna be wildin', bro. I'm not trying to act crazy. Let me put my seatbelt on. I'm not trying to get this all night. Damn, son. I put it window down. Hear the exhaust. Woo! Y'all seen that shit? Woo! Alright. But I like the traction it's drawing because it like knows what she trying to be doing. So it's like it'll let me get sideways like that, right? Even though I got traction control off, because it know I'm not trying to kill myself, but I'm trying to get a little sideways. You feel me? Hey, look, boo. I got carbon ceramic brakes. Fuck me. Damn. Bro, stopping. Oh yeah, you trying to go home? Maybe I'm gonna cut up around all the I got a bunch of little side streets. Yo 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 yo. Alright. I got a little turn coming up. I said traction control in this joint good as a motherfucker. See, look, I'm gonna go a little sideways. They control me, you feel me? Alright. I'm gonna chill out. Let the motor warm up more. Shit. He's good as a motherfucker. Ooh. That's me. Look. You see the slide mark? Woo! Shit. Bro, he's never ass road this big body. Woo! Shit, boy. let's take track control off. Shit. Alright. Alright, make sure I get traction control on. Shit. Sliding might be easier with traction on. You feel me? Don't get me stuck. Don't get me stuck. Don't get me stuck. Oh no. I gotta go before I go. I'm wildin'.